If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To show many lists in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Under the Lists heading in the menu are links for all lists, products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, custom fields, and rules. QuickBooks Online also keeps other lists of transaction form data. If you add an item to a list, you can use it repeatedly in transactions. To show the lists page, click the All Lists link. Doing this opens the Lists page, which contains links to many common lists, like the Chart of Accounts, recurring transactions, products and services, product categories, price rules, custom fields, locations, custom form styles, payment methods, terms, classes, and attachments. Note that some lists may not appear here if you do not enable its associated feature in QuickBooks Online. There is a description of each list under its title. To open the related list page, click its list link. Note that clicking the other links under the Lists heading within the Settings button's drop-down menu for products and services, recurring transactions, attachments, custom fields, or rules directly opens the Related Lists page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.